Okay, you found a bug or an issue with one of our software products and you would like to report it. This can also be a wish list item that you'd like to report. The easiest way to do this is to log it within our software reporting system so that we can keep track of it, notify you of any updates and any other issues that we may have. So easiest way to do this is to go to our main homepage, www.kiwicodes.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page and we've got a report bug wish list icon here. You're going to click on that and that'll take us to our bug tracker or software tracker. First time up, you're going to have to sign up for a new account, and it's just a matter of choosing a username and password, and then we will send you an email to confirm your email address. You click on a link and then you will be redirected back to this page here. So I'm going to log in to report this issue that I have, and it'll bring you probably on the first time around to the My Account page because it's remembering where you were previously. So I'm just going to click over onto My View, and it'll show you all the issues that have previously been logged, the status of them, and whether they've been unassigned, resolved, who's reported them, and the latest modified. They're color coded, and there's a key along the bottom here of what the color codings mean. Along the top here we've got the project, so we've got quite a few apps here, so we can view it by all projects, or we can filter them down to what project we want to view. So Easy Keynoter at this stage hasn't got any bugs at all, but because Project Browser 2015-2016 is in public beta at the moment, we've got quite a few issues being reported back and forwards on this project. So I'm going to just change that back to all projects. I'm going to show you how to log an issue, and I'm going to log an issue in the the Easy Keynoter product. So along here we've got My View, View Issues, and Report Issues. So I want to report an issue, and because this is on all projects, it's going to ask you which project you want to report it for. I want to report it for Easy Keynoter 2015. You can make that the default if that's the only app that you've got from us. That might be a good idea. Going to select the project, and now we can start reporting and filling in the information so that we can track this. So the category, functionality, general, Revit integration, UI issues. I'm just going to put this UI issues. Can you reproduce it? Always, sometimes, random, haven't tried. I'm going to go sometimes. Severity, minor. A few different options there. If you wanted to report a wish list item, put it under a feature. We want to have a new feature. Trivial, priority is just going to go normal. You could, if you think it's a platform issue, fill this in here, but generally we don't need that filled in. Summary, going to put bug issuing test. And then a description of what is happening. This is where and then the steps to reproduce the issue. So 1, start Easy Keynoter. 2, drag and drop Keynote. 3, etc., etc. Any additional information you may have here, and you can also upload an image file. Now sometimes an image file speaks 1,000 words, so we do encourage you to do that. View status, public or private. Generally make them public so everyone else can see them. If they have the same issue, then they can log in and they can monitor the issue. And then we're just going to submit the report. As soon as you do that, we get an email that there's been a report submitted, and we will then come in And I'll actually just log out and show you this on our end here. Okay, once I log in here again as administrator, as myself this time, by default it's in the same view as when I previously left it, which was under project browser. So if I go to all projects, we'll now find an entry here which has been unassigned, and it's for Easy Keynoter bug issuing test. If I switch the filter to Easy Keynoter, it'll show just the Easy Keynoter um, issues. So I'm going to select this as administrator. I'm going to assign it to myself and change the status to acknowledged. And I'm going to put in here, thanks for reporting. As soon as I do that, you're going to get an email to say that I have acknowledged it, and then you'll be able to look through all the different issues back and forwards. You can reply to this issue, especially if I have any questions regarding the report that you've issued, and you will be sent emails each time the status changes when I change it from new to feedback confirmed, resolved and closed. So that is how easy it is to issue a report. If I go back to my view here, and I'll just open up one where someone else has done sent in an issue, and in this case you'll see that it has the summary and description being filled out, and instead of too much of a description they've attached an image which I can view there, and they've also attached a journal file and some error text dialogues just so that we can track this a little better. And then we've had a few back and forwards, some dialogue going back and forwards just trying to resolve this. So we do encourage you to use our bug tracker for issues that you find, and also for wish list items that you'd like to see implemented into our products in the future. And that way we can track it, and other users can track the issues as well, and then they can monitor those issues themselves. So we do encourage you to use it, and it'll just make everyone's life a lot easier. Thanks for your time.